Presenting a Growing Little Ones video. Hey everybody, we've got brand new Puppy Dog Pals toys. And we're gonna unbox all 4 of these. I wonder what could be inside. I'm so excited about sharing them with you. We love watching Puppy Dog Pals on Disney Junior. Here's one that we've already unboxed. Woohoo! Who was that? Let's try again and see if you can tell who it is. 1, 2, 3. Could you tell who it was? It's Rolly on his sailboard. And this is his launcher, and we had a lot of fun unboxing him. Woohoo, Rolly! This toy is a lot of fun. Whee! And we also have Bingo. And Bingo has a rocket ship. Here's Bingo's rocket ship. Whoa, he crashed. But we've got to start unboxing these new toys because there could be anything inside. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, go Bingo! Nice. All right, which one should we do first? One of these or one of these? Let's do this one. Who is it? It's Bingo! Helicopter Bingo! Pals on a mission. Wow! It says, try me. Look at that! His collar lights up. Oh, I can't wait to get him out of the box, and we're gonna put him all together. Oh, they're always going on missions to help their guy, Bob. Bob is their owner, and they're always trying to be super helpful, whether it's cleaning the house or helping him cool off on a hot day. These are really good pups. Even Hissy helped babysit a little lost kitty. That was really nice of her. Oh, it's a mask. This is so cool. Look at that. Let's try and put it on Bingo. Here is our Bingo pup. He's got his fan so he can use it as maybe a helicopter to help him fly. Or maybe he can use it like this to blow him forward. And he's got his mask to protect his eyes. And you can take this off just like that. I love these toys. And then you can take this off like that. Or you could do this. Leave his little belt on, and then when you're ready, you can put it back on. And his legs move. And don't forget about his cool light up collar. All right, who are we gonna open next? Let's try this one. Oh, it's Hissy. This is Glider Hissy. Puppy Dog Pals on a mission. She's got a really cool glider. And it says the glider moves. And it says, try me, I light up. Let's see what she does. Oh, her collar lights up pink. Very cool, Hissy. All right, let's get her out of the box and check her out. Here are her cool glasses. And let's get Hissy out. And her glider. Here's Hissy. Now let's see if we can put her glasses on. Oh, there we go. That is so awesome. And those protect her eyes while she's flying high in the sky. We put her little belt on. And let's see, does this come out? It does. So you can put that back in. And then we're gonna add her glider. Woohoo, Hissy! Hissy, you are ready to fly. I'm not ready to fly. She doesn't like getting too high. What's she doing with a glider? I hope you don't land in any pools. Nice landing, Hissy. So we have Bingo and Hissy. Can we switch out their packs? Let's see. Can we give Hissy? Oh, you can. You can switch them out. This is awesome. Now Hissy can have a little helicopter. Just like this. Kind of turn it back. And can we give Bingo the glider? You can. Now Bingo has the glider. These are so much fun. And here goes Hissy. All right, who else are we gonna unbox? And we can do a little bit more switching around. Now that they can switch their packs around, this is gonna be super cool. Here's the next one. Who could it be? It's Scuba Rolly. He's got a spinning propeller and a mask. Scuba Rolly. Let's watch him light up. He has a red collar. All right, let's get him out. Rolly wants to try out Hissy's glider. He's pretty excited about it. Here we go. And let's get this out. It's a little scuba gear. And this is his belt. And each pup can wear the belt, and then they can switch out packs. Here is Rolly's belt. And it goes on. Oops, it went around his neck. There we go. Put it around his waist. And we've got to put his scuba mask on. There we go. That's so cool looking. And his scuba gear. Ta-da! Scuba Rolly is ready for the mission. He's ready to swim under the water. But can Scuba Rolly glide like Hissy? Let's find out. He can. He's taken to the sky. And let's see. Hissy wants to try out the scuba gear. Wait, scuba gear means going in the water. Meow, get it off of me. I'm not going in the water. That's too wet. These turn like this, so you can move them in different directions. And then this part comes off like that. You can put that back on. There. All right, who's in the last box? Let's check it out. It's Secret Agent ARF. He's so cool. Watch this. His eyes light up. And he's got his Secret Agent belt over here. Let's get him out and check out what he does. ARF is ready to clean up. ARF is ready to help. He likes to take the pups around the city, and he takes them wherever they need to go. ARF may be one of my favorites. Look at that cool pup. And then we've got his belt right here. And it goes on just like that. And he's got his Secret Agent pack. And it snaps on. And he's got his little amplifiers here. And that helps him get radio signals. He's listening. Do Rolly and Bingo need his help? He'll be there if they do. And he's got his little rocket packs here. I've got to try this Secret Agent belt out. Trade with me, ARF. You've got it. Here we go. Let's take the fan off. And give Bingo the Secret Agent belt. He looks so cool. Knee swivel. And rockets. ARF gets the helicopter. But I really enjoyed sharing these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. You declare, if you declare that Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.